when I talk, people feel like you don't love them, you know. Because when I talk now, them are going to say me miserable. But remember, me I take care of the whole family. Like, I me I do all of this. Whole family, everything depend me. And you know, say my birthday week, this a come. And you gone left your baby them way the house now in a good condition, you know. Remember say wall I dig out, everything I dig out, you know. Right now your house, the whole thing now in a good condition. I just we are roll with it because I feel we place. So you if you look on it now, say, oh God man, our birthday week plus she have so much things for her where I deal with. You understand me? Right now I don't even know enough things I don't know how me I go deal with, but me I fight. You know, take your baby them, bro. Keep your little baby them instead of you run back on one man. At them there's something me I talk, but nobody now get me when me talk. People say me miserable. And enough time make me feel like me want to run away because I come like say me a chat and nobody now hear me. You see me? You run back a man from yesterday, whole day yesterday the back a man and say you wash. You wash what? You watch him. And I wash you gonna wash, I watch you gonna watch. You see me? I see the man a run from you because see man run come down here so. So you there hope this so. Whole night last night you did it with the man, you run left the pitney them. Where you did this morning if you said alright then give her a break, give your mother-in-law a break. No nobody advantage me brother. Me alone when me dead and gone, you know, nobody not gonna look for me more than then come and blood clot curry goat and play a look of blood clot music and fling me now one look a piece of grave, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. So more enjoy my life. And one time more enjoy my life, people want come pre me when me I say. Me no give grandmother privilege and me no believe that a whole heap of big people can settle down and sit down for them pitney. I sit down with blood clot grand pitney and they no get nothing out tight. I be a disrespect. You understand me? I don't want that be for my life. I mean, no business if nobody want vex when me talk. You see me? A whole heap of people put down things say pitney. I'm going to take a start them all grandmother privilege. You sit down and boy, you grew up grand pitney because you're grand now. Brother, I'm not sit down and do that. You understand me? I live my life and do what I have to do. Enjoy myself till my Father God come for me. Because nobody now no pity upon me, brother. Nobody now no pity upon me. You understand me? I don't like say somebody look at me and say, Mommy say 10 grand ya. Or say, Mommy say 5 grand ya. Never says nobody now do that for me. You see? I don't even get it. Just break my heart because I love them. I love the whole of them, you know. I love all of them. Sorry if me put my big mouth too much in the camera and my nose. I love all of them, but they now focus. And next, it does to me, it just come down upon me. That me not like. See there, I'm a bigger son. I love him. I love him so much. But I make a younger brother work. And you know if you jump up and show mommy say, yo, jump up and do something. I'm not tell you say Shannel if you have conscience, you know. Because if me did it and my sister, oh God, she go through this. Right now, the whole side of the other room go pull down. So one side of the house I go, whole of the house stop I go gone. Whole of the house stop I go lift off soon. I look upon her and say, oh God man, she go through a rough patch. My place not decent right now. Be a worker going in there, all stone and dust and you know, no good environment for you, baby. But see, thing is this now, she feel like say, oh, she can't just come left the baby now upon me because her grandmother privilege and me say me love her. I love her, but I some conscience, me no man. Oh God, man. Like, man, I run with some my bum buckle time, man. The only time I have this week after my birthday, you know. I just want full time my birthday. I swear, like, I want to live up my birthday like no other. Like, you don't even get it. Because I don't get breaks like this. So you see my birthday, I just want a body in my way. You understand? I'm still trying to make sure so everybody can come celebrate themselves and nice and right? But them for understand. And that's why I don't feel like say they care about me. I just don't want to feel the feelings there. Because I care about somebody, I go look out for their well-being. That's how I feel. Yeah. Tell them. Both of them not act like no adult. Them not act like no adult. Them breed and go get youth, but they not act adult. You understand me? They not act as an adult. Cause see there, I sleeping in this, I sleep. He's sleeping. And the younger 17-year-old brother out to do a work right now hard. I say that little boy there, I'm gonna get him a phone. Nobody can tap me from get that little boy there phone. Me happy. As soon as my birthday, today my birthday, tomorrow, I spend the money and go buy him a phone. He out the door, sweat. He go over the sun, he go care sun. I'm glad he not like nothing near bleaching. He not dealing with nothing near bleaching. See the blessing of Almighty God rain a fall right now in the sun. And he out the door and him a walk. You hear me tell you? Never disrespect your mother and love your mother. You don't know as a bigger brother man can jump in now man and do something and show progress say yo. Cause when me gone, you know, you think say this house a go be for me? Where you say baby? Alex deserve the phone a good boy. Yeah, a good boy. When me gone, you think say I for me this house yeah? Girl and on my house this. I feed them. If you know say nobody can put them out, if you know say they can have a roof over their head, if you know say if one of them they and they have room, they can rent out a little space. This is their home. So them for give me strength for make that home here for them. Grandbaby I get a room, Pitney I get room. You understand me I say, what greater than that one I can get? Eh? And disappoint me more while, man. I make us go and bad and say, me miserable. Which girl, your girl can run down blood clot body, so? Me run down body, me understand, but at least, man, make your pitney then safe, man. And act like you love man more than me. You love man more than me, man. I don't understand you. Burn me off. I'm telling you, you know, the woman don't even rat it. Come out of the hospital, you know. I left the girl, left the hospital. I don't care if they want to eat me when me talk. I saw me talk, so them are going to love me and eat me. Left him, left out of the hospital. Remember me tell you, you hear me, just to come watch the man. I them something there. When people are talking, them are going to talk about, oh, Shannel. No, I understand. If you put Shannel in her place, man, she need to go in her place. And when you act nicey with her, she can do them sitting here and run left the baby pan and run gone. You get you some?
Yeah, me buy 2 different inches.
So, what you got? Another?
No, I'm just take my clothes and see. I tell you something from me.
What did the pan? What else you wear about that?
Sweater. It has the hat, the durag, and my glasses.
Why you wear durag, yeah, boy?
No, my durag is put the hat over it because my ear no do.
You can't act like one little girl.
Mommy, what me do, mommy?
Act like girl.
Mommy, come wear a durag on hat.
Why you wear durag for more? Let us act like some boy pitney. Yeah, what, man?
Mommy, me don't know for the
Act girly. Well, go on, alright? You couldn't catch him for me?
I did that thing about it, but me don't have this chain, so I can't remember.
I'm gonna buy me.
You know, we don't have a river.
I'm going to river, brother. Nobody not help me nothing. I'm not care nobody going to river.
Wish me, you mean nobody?
No, you. Me know you help me, baby, and Alex. Me not care nobody now. Me not going to river. We done with river and them something there.
I'm tired.
You're tired. Let's get something for me.
I buy the concrete nail. I buy 2 inch, like a small one, and I buy the 4 inch.
I buy 4 inch one.
I buy one pound. So for 2 of them in all at $800.
Get 40 soup and make me hungry, you know, man.
Yeah, me see she a cook soup, me want to buy.
You want to buy?
Yeah, but I think you finish. What time?
At soon 12 o'clock.
Mama, look, Jesus.
If one white, me have to see it good, see that soon 12 o'clock. So maybe me soon want eyeglass or something, but me know me didn't have to hold the phone so sister soon.
You want eyeglass or her?
Well, maybe my people not buckle too much, because God know. Maybe I peep my people not buckle.
Only phone fart and I squint up in here if you see one time, man.
Me not squint on my eye, me hold the phone so look here. See that as some go and me see. Because it's something white. You know, so some time I can't take you.
Alright, mama.
Where you go get me? Me not do nothing, me not cook nothing for nobody eat. Me a savage.
I cook yesterday and I clean yesterday.
No cook nothing for nobody. Savage against people. People savage, be savage too. Go and go look after something for me and you alone.
Mommy, I said that to me because I'm going to look after.
The school no man look after something for me and you.
Mommy, you have to make one deal with me.
Me not doing that. Me not do that. Well, dead for hungry then.
You need to wait till the year what the deal is.
Me no want no deal. Me not have to make no deal.
Mommy, if you go in, I thought for birthday gift, but your man not send off money for me.
I don't have a problem. Just do something for me and you.
But you have to do something for me.
I don't have to do anything for you.
Mommy, listen to the little deal.
What is the deal?
Raina come there, Raina. Mommy, I think I'm close my file line.
Jam me up. Where you run if me and Raina come? Guys, Raina come.
Next time we bring back the rain as we come, rain.
I feel so. Can I rain in there as soon as you come, rain come. You know where you come.
That is unfair, though.
It is the truth. It is the truth. It is the truth. Hurry up, mama. Hurry up. Rain. Oh, guys, see me. They love your fudge. Watch him hide. Don't do that. Don't do that. The people they might make you get your phone and you hide from the people they mean. You're not getting a phone then because you love hide from. When me buy you, where you run from if you're afraid of phone? Guys, see me here. You love hide. See that? Him have to go take it because them love him. Them love him like a cook food. I don't know how in a media family, you know, like media, I'm afraid of media like a puss. I'm afraid of media like a puss. And all of them are asking me, you know, and you don't want to deal with the media. Watch him.
Oh, yeah, we're going to start feeling funny now.
Eh?
Yeah, we start showing out to the field.
All right, no problem. Tell us you can't come in our box. Murder. Hey, you. Where you going? Take down your foot. Take it down. Come on from. Oh, you block my life. All right. No, I'm not coming on my box.
Remember, I'm going to buy a salad, so.
Guys, I can't video baby. I can't video baby. We get wet early. No. Hey, come here. Bonnie, I move it black. I move it black. I don't want to go drop on the block here. Oh my God. So today, the boxing today, we're not starting blocking, but next week? Oh, alright. So how much calling in all? Oh, the one day two for casting now? One more on the other side. Hey, the pampers I can't go back on him. That should have one here. The baby can't stay nowhere so. A beer work I go on here so. Look on the place. Good day. Beer rock stone and this and thing. That girl and on a fucking conscience, man. I don't like people ramp with me because me get mad. Right? Them not on a conscience, man. Look on the condition I please. Look like the baby for the ass right now. Even we are struggle for stay afloat. Right? See man they are dropping it something then. Right? We are struggle to keep ourselves comfortable. They never understand that man. They're not a fucking conscience.
But try up there cook when you can bring up your baby.
So that if him up there cooking is supposed to have the baby up there. I don't understand how she wants to stress me out and give me high blood pressure and she not give her mother high blood pressure. Your brother don't stay far from me, you know, because me get mad at that, me I tell you. I like say ma give me when you know do that, you know, I struggle, you saw batter around. I mean, I feel no way battering around because guess what? I try, me done. God go give me my victory. Right? Look there. Eh? Me can't me how it go work. Eh? I struggle me there, I start struggle. I'm not afraid to tell nobody. I don't even care about nobody because when me done, God go give me my victory. When me done, when my victory I come, it go come sweet. You understand me? Just allow me make me batter now. Cut him blood like slap out him head back. Anyways, what is that?
Tell me let me use. You don't want to break. Huh? Mommy, Jesus! We wouldn't do that. Tell me let use. You don't want to break. You can't get the blender because the man not saying it well like money. At the 15, forget what he's saying next. Mommy, me feel like just me feel that way there on my chest.
You can do that.
I don't do this to me, can't buy. Come tell me, can't buy. Come.
No, man, I don't want this something there for my birthday. Them the something that just me can wear.
Remember electric blender, the one you see that work with running and the electric they make juice and it you see. You know you have to plug in.
I'm off fun. When I go with you?
No.
So it's not working for me now, girl.
I have to bring to eat.
Give me 40 soup first before elephant.
40 soup already, I'm just have something I care.
At 12 o'clock, after 12 now, give me some drinks, give me something to eat. Oh, moderator, I see your text. I see your text. Now come. Hold on, my moderator me a trick pan. Hold on. She say, Annie, I told you to make.
And I told you to make Amazon wish list for your birthday.
Wait, Amazon wish list, but me ask you if you do it too. You know, say a Shannel me did beg. Me tell you yesterday for sign in for get the Amazon where you call a wish list. Me I go make Zoe sign in for Amazon, right? I me go check it out now. Sometimes, oh God, remember say more while you know God know. Sometimes I remember, me not remember, but me did ask Shannel. But remember them now go wake call you know. Wake who up? Him? Wake him up, it's easy. Yeah, me I make Zoe do it. Me I go make Zoe do it. Alright, yeah, did she me ask yesterday? But nobody now go remember. So me I go do me I make Zoe do it. Zoe capable of doing it. Zoe well capable of doing it. If me wake him up and get miserable and talk about mommy wake me up for mommy this, mommy that, mommy rain, mommy tea. Me not wake him up. Not wake nobody. Not wake nobody up. Shannel smart. Yeah. She maybe a watch me now. But see Shannel love use her head. So Shannel stay. And this one here. This one named No Conscience. Yeah. Now I pay them no mind. She's smart. She's smart. She use her head for people. But while she do some things, you have to open your eye quick. She's smart. She will use her head for me. She will use it smart. Use the head for me. Hey, when you call Shannel now. Watch it. Call Shannel. Hey, call Shannel.